Hey everyone, so first of all, good morning to all of you because it's a good morning time now, and I am on my roof, and I am recording this video in the morning because in the morning time, from the morning time comes good vibes, Yes, and some birds are chirping, and birds chirping voice very beautiful and gives some good vibe, you can say. For some people it's noisy, but yes, for me, if you asked, then I like it, I love it. So yes, I'm recording this video on my roof, and it's a morning time now, and in this video you are gonna learn to some ways, some method that how you can improve your vocabulary words, then how you can learn vocabulary words for a long time. So watch this video till the end, and if you are new here and didn't subscribe the channel, so please first subscribe this channel. Okay, listen carefully friends. First, when you learn some vocabulary words, first write in your notebook and first read at least 2-3 times. Read that time. Okay, and you make some sentences based on that vocabulary words, what vocab you learn that time. And every day you can learn 10 to 5 to 10 vocabulary words. Okay, and you make some sentences based on that vocab words first day. Okay, and after 1 week, you read again that vocabulary words, again learn that vocab words, and whose sentences you was make, that sentences you read again and again. Okay, if you read those vocabulary words, those sentences again and again, at least 2-3 times if you read, then believe me guys, that vocab you will never forget. Truly, if you learn like this, then definitely, surely, believe me, 100% you will never forget vocab words. And what vocab you learn every day practice with them. Every day practice with that vocabulary words. Guys, if you do some works again and again, that thing you don't forget right now. So if you learn vocab words first day, and after 1 week if you again read, again you learn, then my friends, believe me, you will never forget vocab words, and you can learn vocab words, and you can learn vocabulary words for a long time. Every day you should practice with that vocab words. At least every day you should learn 5 to 10 vocabulary words, and you should make on the based on that vocab words at least 10 to 15 sentences in English, and you can practice with that vocabs, with that sentences. Okay, you have to practice every day. If you don't have any partner, then you can practice yourself. Try to speak in English with yourself. Okay, what your regional language, don't think in your regional language, think in English and try to speak in English. So every day learn vocab words and make some English sentences, and practice with that English sentences and vocab words. Okay, so in this way you can improve your vocab words for a long time. So my dear friends, I'll not take your more time. Just it's 3 minutes can change your life, can change your learning English journey. Okay, so follow this technique and strong your vocab words, and strong your vocab and boost your vocabulary words. I learn English language. So yes, that's what I wanted to share with you in this video, that how you can improve your English vocab words, and that how you can strong your vocabulary words. So yes, whatever you want to learn, that thing you have to do yourself. So learn. Okay, so yes, keep learning and keep growing together. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.